The anticipation surrounding the next-generation Apple TV 4K has reached a level the Apple community hasn't experienced in years. Not because of a keynote, flashy ad campaign, or dramatic influencer reveal, but because of a slow, creeping series of signs from Apple's retail partners, supply chains, and backstage operations that all seem to point in one direction. Apple is preparing to radically reposition the Apple TV as a central pillar of its entire smart home and entertainment ecosystem. What started as a small observation, major retailers suddenly marking the HomePod Mini is discontinued while Apple TV listings remained active, quickly evolved into a wave of speculation, especially when internal retail chatter indicated that Apple was tightening inventory of Apple TV units within its own stores, even as external vendors still showed everything as normal. That inconsistency is classic Apple misdirection. The same pattern repeated across multiple hardware cycles. Retail shelves stay full for customers, while internal stock quietly shrinks in preparation for the rollout of new SKUs. The rumor became significantly more credible when Apple store employees reported instructions for an overnight reset on November 11th, which, to anyone who follows Apple closely, is practically a neon billboard flashing new hardware incoming. Apple rarely rearranges every store on Earth unless it is preparing to quietly drop new products without a full event. And historically, these drops have included important but non-flagship devices, AirPods revisions, HomePod refreshes, Apple TV updates, or accessories with major ecosystem implications. What makes this situation even more intriguing is that Apple chose the exact same period to announce the strange, comedic $230 iPhone Pocket accessory, a move that initially convinced some fans that the overnight reset was simply an elaborate theatrical rollout for that quirky product. But analysts like Mark Gurman quickly clarified that the reset was far more likely tied to updates for both the HomePod Mini and the Apple TV, a coordinated refresh of Apple's most important living room devices, signaling a new stage in Apple's smart home ambitions. While the HomePod Mini discontinuation has already triggered speculation about a larger HomePod revival or a possible smart display, the Apple TV is where the most dramatic change appears to be brewing. Not in the way it looks on the outside, but in how Apple intends to position it at the heart of media, gaming, wireless networking, home automation, and future AI-powered interactions. The Apple TV has historically been underrated, a silent powerhouse hidden behind televisions worldwide, providing fluid interface performance, ecosystem integration, and unmatched long-term reliability compared to cheap sticks from Amazon, Google, or Roku. But now, after years of modest, incremental updates, Apple seems ready to transform the Apple TV into something much more serious, a convergence device that blends console-level graphics, smart home intelligence, and next-generation wireless standards into a small box that quietly takes over more of your home than you might expect. That transformation begins with the first major clue. Ming-Chi Kuo revealed that Apple is exploring significant price cuts, potentially dropping the base model to below $100. Something Apple hasn't done in over a decade. That alone would disrupt the entire streaming box market, bringing Apple into direct price competition with mass-market devices that traditionally rely on low-end hardware and ad-supported interfaces. But Apple lowering the price is only one side of the coin. The real shock comes from performance leaks. According to Bloomberg, the next Apple TV will adopt two major silicon updates. First, the new N1 wireless chip, which combines Wi-Fi and Bluetooth architecture into a single power-efficient module supporting Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Wi-Fi 7 is a monumental upgrade, enabling multi-band simultaneous data transmission across 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz channels, dramatically reducing latency, improving stability, and delivering speeds essential for 4K HDR streaming, cloud gaming, and homes filled with dozens of smart devices. Bluetooth enhances wireless controller accuracy, reduces input lag, and makes connections to AirPods nearly instantaneous. But the bigger leap is the rumored adoption of the A17 Pro chip, the same 3nm silicon powering console-grade gaming in the iPhone 15 Pro series. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, a 6-core GPU, and immense power efficiency, the A17 Pro would instantly make the Apple TV one of the most powerful living room devices ever sold under $100. Combine that with reports of Apple increasing RAM to 8 GB and storage capacity bumps, and suddenly the Apple TV shifts from a streaming box into a miniature entertainment computer capable of running high-end games, real-time AI features, advanced home automation tasks, and even local Siri processing without cloud dependency. This is significant not only because it enhances gaming but because Apple Intelligence, Apple's new on-device AI ecosystem, depends heavily on local processing when privacy is a priority. The Apple TV could become the hub that manages your smart home scenes, automation triggers, environmental sensing, and voice interactions with near-zero delay. And the timing aligns perfectly with Apple's push toward Matter and Thread 2.0, a new generation of smart home networking that reduces cloud dependency and enables ultra-stable device coordination, from lights to cameras to locks. The Apple TV becoming the main smart home brain would not only simplify the ecosystem, but also give Apple an advantage over Amazon and Google, which rely more heavily on cloud processing. Beyond internal hardware upgrades, rumors suggest Apple is experimenting with more innovative features for the Apple TV. One recurring leak mentions a built-in FaceTime camera for direct video calls, gesture navigation, and style interactions. While the feature may not debut this year, tvOS updates hint at future hardware integration, expanded multilingual live captions, expanded contact poster support, improved FaceTime algorithms, and deeper telepresence functionality. Apple has already turned iPhones into continuity cameras for the Apple TV. But a built-in camera would remove friction and turn the TV into a social device, ideal for family calls, group chats, or shared media sessions. The design of the Apple TV box itself seems unlikely to change dramatically. Apple has found a form factor that is compact, silent, and thermally optimized. And users rarely showcase their streaming boxes anyway. But the real evolution is in the internal architecture and the system-level intelligence. Because if Apple truly intends to deliver a 17 Pro performance, Wi-Fi 7 bandwidth, BLUETOOTH6 responsiveness, expanded RAM, and accelerated AI abilities all at a price under $100, the Apple TV instantly becomes the most compelling living room upgrade in Apple's entire portfolio. It becomes the gaming box for casual players, the streaming machine for cinephiles, the automation hub for smart home users, the wireless router assistant for Wi-Fi 7 households, and the on-device AI engine that connects everything quietly in the background. Apple may also be preparing this device to serve as the foundation for future hybrid products such as the rumored Apple TV plus HomePod plus FaceTime hub device. Essentially, a smart display with rich audio and tvOS functionality. But even as that future takes shape, the 2025 Apple TV appears to be the first step in a massive strategic repositioning of Apple's living room ambitions. That is why the recent overnight resets and retail discontinuations matter. Apple doesn't shuffle stores for a minor update. This feels like a coordinated blueprint, a stepping stone preparing customers for a wave of home-centered products in 2025 and 2026, and the final proof is pricing. Apple does not lower prices without a reason. If they plan to get an Apple TV into millions of homes as the central thread controller, gaming engine, and AI processor, a sub-$100 price point is the perfect gateway move. With demand rising, older units being phased out, and leaks converging from analysts, developers, supply watchers, and retail insiders, the next Apple TV is shaping up to be far more than a quiet refresh. It is poised to become the core of the Apple home.